Lawyers for two advocacy groups who are opposed to this law, known as the More Beds, Better Care Act, say that they will launch a charter challenge, arguing that it removes the right of a patient's informed consent about where they will live and what care they will receive. Now, under the bill, patients who are believed to no longer need hospital care, they have the choice to move to a long-term care home against their will. In some cases, a facility that doesn't have culture or religious specific services or is far away from family and friends, or they will be fined up to $400 for every day that they remain in hospital. Now, here in Southern Ontario, patients could be moved as far away as 70 kilometers from their loved ones. The Ford government, however, maintains that the law is meant to help deal with the shortage of public hospital beds here in the province. However, the Ontario Health Coalition and Advocacy Centre for the Elderly will argue that there are no clear standards to determine who needs what they call alternate level of care, leaving some patients being deemed ALC from a doctor who still very much need hospital treatment. Now, advocates and families, they did speak outside the courthouse just moments ago. They say they're feeling very confident about the case at hand. Have a listen.
We feel we have a really strong case. It's very clear that this law targets elderly patients and deprives them of rights that every other patient enjoys. And the reason is that there are not enough hospital beds and there aren't enough long-term care beds, not a choice of the patients whatsoever. And it's a policy choice that can obviously be changed.
Now, what both sides can agree on is that there is a need for more hospital and long-term care beds in this province. A key issue that will be challenged in court over the next 2 days of arguments is whether or not this law has succeeded in increasing patient flow through our hospitals.